Twitch is overrated. So we're sitting in the old streaming room right now to kind of mark a time where I've been streaming on Twitch for about a year, full time. I will have been on Twitch for a year, April 23rd. It's been a long time. Let me explain to you exactly what I mean by Twitch being overrated. If you're a content creator and you're wanting to grow as a brand, grow yourself as a brand, Twitch is not the place to do it. It's just not going to happen. I mean, the fact of the matter is, it's so overly saturated on Twitch that it's really hard to get discovered. And I'm sure you've watched all the videos, Harris Heller, Alpha Gaming, everybody saying, hey, if you want to grow on Twitch, create content on other platforms, right? Well, that's actually true. So there's 2 million broadcasters on Twitch right now in 2021 and only 27,000 active partners. Let that sink in for a minute. Now, I'm not saying partner is the only way that you're going to make money, because that's not true. What I'm saying is you got to take into consideration the statistics, right? If you're wanting to grow your brand, streaming solely on Twitch is not the way to go. I would almost say that it's not even worth signing the affiliate agreement. And if you're already an affiliate, then there's nothing you can do about it, really. But it's hard for me to say that's a good contract for you to sign. Let me kind of break down that contract a little bit for you. In that agreement, it says that you cannot stream on other platforms at the same time that you're streaming to Twitch, which makes sense, right? That's okay. That's not a big deal for me. But you can't multi-stream. And I don't think multi-stream is necessarily a good idea for anyone, really. You can't upload your content from Twitch to YouTube, Twitch to any other platform until 24 hours after those things have happened on Twitch. They own the rights to your content for 24 hours. Think about that. Another thing is they own the rights to pretty much your brand. They can use your likeness on any of their ads if they wanted to. It's kind of crazy. Also, when it comes down to monetization, they take half, at least. A little bit more than half, actually. Let's say if you bring in 3K to Twitch, you're gonna get about 1,500 or a little bit less than that. So that's something to take into consideration too. Granted, it's not all about the money, but those things are something that you need to keep in mind as a Twitch content creator. Another thing that I realized on Twitch that has run rampant is the grinding mentality that you have to have, especially from older streamers. It's kind of gotten a little bit better now. A lot of people have been made more aware that grinding is just not the way to go. I respect it. I respect the grind. I respect people who stream every single day, because I've tried that. I've tried that for about 3 months, and it was tough. I streamed Monday through Friday, every day, 8 hours a day, as like a full-time job. Granted, I did grow, but I was also finding myself burnt out at the end of the week. And when Monday came around, I was like, well, I guess I'm gonna have to start this back over. Content creation is a dream job for a lot of people. A lot of people want to be able to do this full-time. For those people who are not full-time content creators that want to get into the full-time content creation arena, then you gotta know that burnout is a real thing. I've neglected my YouTube channel because I was streaming all the time on Twitch. Did that help me? No, that hindered me greatly. Yeah, I grew on Twitch, but that's the only place that I grew. And as a full-time content creator, I wanted to grow my brand. My brand didn't grow. My Twitch brand grew. Now, if you're wanting to be a content creator and you just want to be a streamer on Twitch, that's perfectly fine. Your growth on Twitch doesn't necessarily mean your brand grows. Why? Because Twitch is not a discoverable platform. And you've heard probably hundreds and hundreds of videos that have said that. Don't get me wrong, I absolutely love streaming and gaming and getting to know people on Twitch. Twitch as a community, I absolutely love. It's like its own little community. But that's the issue. It's its own little community. Now, the thing that I've always thought was I want to grow on all platforms. That means not just spending all my time over on Twitch, which Twitch is a great platform, like I said, but it's not always the best for growth. I know that I've built relationships with people on Twitch that even if I ended my Twitch career today and I moved to a different platform, that those people would come over and hang out. Because I've grew real relationships with them. And I'm friends with those people. I'm in their chats hanging out, really enjoying their content, and they're in my chats hanging out, enjoying my content. By the way, I do stream on Twitch Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, starting at 1 p.m. EST. Kind of a weird place to throw that in there, but the link will be in the description if you want to come check me out. Speaking of, oh, but Ryan, don't you stream on Twitch? Yeah, like I just said, I do. But the thing is, I'm really going to start focusing on putting out content on other platforms such as YouTube, TikTok, which I'll have linked, Twitter. I do like watching content creators on Facebook, streamers though. So if you're a streamer on Facebook, hit me up. Let me know in the comments what your Facebook gaming name is, and I'll come check you out. As you may or may not know, Harris Heller has put out a video saying that he's moving full-time to YouTube. And it's really put things in perspective for me. I have thought about that move for a while now. I would say probably since January. So it's really put things in perspective. I'm not saying I'm gonna do it because I really do love my Twitch community. I love the Twitch community that we've built together because it's not just me building it, right? You're doing it as a team. But I am really gonna start focusing on creating content on YouTube as well. Maybe even streaming here on YouTube. If that'd be something you guys would be interested in, hit the thumbs up button and make sure you subscribe and say, hey, yeah, dude, let's get some games in the comments. Let me know. I play stuff like Valorant, Fortnite, Call of Duty sometimes. I play a lot of Switch games too. I love Switch. And that's one reason I really like YouTube as well, because there's a lot of playthrough, walkthrough communities here that play a lot of story-based driven games. And that's another draw for me. But like I said, I'm not ending my Twitch career anytime soon. I will be on Twitch Monday, Wednesday, Friday, starting at 1 p.m. EST. And I'd love to see you guys there. I appreciate you guys watching this video. It's just something that maybe take into consideration. Keep in mind that Twitch is not the end-all be-all. There's other platforms out there that could help you grow your Twitch channel, but they could help you grow as a content creator. With the recent rollouts of what Twitch has done with their TOS, it's making me think that other options might be in the future. So, I appreciate you guys watching this. Subscribe for more. And I'll be putting out videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. I hope to see you guys there. I appreciate you. Goodbye.